Today, you will be learning how to make this beautiful presentation in PowerPoint. To become an expert, make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Start with a blank slide. Go to Shape, Rectangle and draw a rectangle. Next, insert a text box and type the letter N. Center the text, change the font to Impact and increase the size. Select both the rectangle and the text. Go to Arrange, Align Center. Press Ctrl D 5 times to duplicate. Now, select one rectangle and decrease its size. Select it along with the text. Go to Merge Shape, Union. Repeat the same process for the letters A, T, U, R and E. This way, each letter will form a bowl-shaped design. Go to Insert, Pictures, this device and choose an image. Send it to back. Now, select all the shape. Go to Merge Shape, Fragment. Keep the parts you want and delete the rest. This will make your text blend with the picture beautifully. Right-click on the slide, Format Background, Solid Fill and choose a background color. Then, Format Picture, Shadow, inside bottom left. This adds depth to your design. Now, add your title. Since this is about nature, I will add Nature Beauty. Add a subtitle and short description to make it look professional. Go to Insert, Icons, search for Nature and insert an icon. Change its color to green from Graphic Fill. Next, go to Insert, Line, draw a line, change its outline color and increase the width. Now click on Slideshow. And here you can see a beautiful nature theme PowerPoint slide with stylish text effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss my next video.